Back, me again, Jared. I got 2016 certified NASCAR trading cards. Got 3 packs per blaster box, 5 cards per pack. Bought these packs at Walmart. Blaster box, the original. Open the box. Wanted to show you the cards I pulled. You get 3 packs, autograph or game use, or autograph or memorabilia per box. Got skills numbered 1 of 99 right there. Ryan Newman, 1 of 99. That's not the hit, but it was a nice pull. Skills, Dale Jr., Immortals. It's a nice hit, 1 of 99 right there. Seem like some pretty nice cards here. That was pack 1. Pack 2. Let's see, did I pull? I got Joey Logano, Kevin Howard. Darrell Waltrip Immortals, number to 99. Kurt Busch, Mike Kenseth. And my hit pack. Some memorabilia. Had a Kyle Busch. There's Dale Jr. again. Jeff Burt, Immortal. Tony Stewart. And I pulled a quad, numbered 93 of 99. Dale Jr. 4-piece. Looks like tire, fire suit, shoe, and sheet metal. Quad of Dale Jr. Right there. 4 pieces. Nice pull for a Walmart blaster box. Very nice. Dale Jr. 4-way 2016 certified pull right there. There's a quad pull. Very nice. One of my best pulls I've ever had for a blaster box. And thank you for watching.